Hi and welcome to our in-depth analysis of Sundram Fasteners Limited, a leading player in the Indian auto ancillaries. In this video, we will delve into Sundram Fasteners Limited product segments, revenue segments, shareholding, management, cost structure, financials and management outlook for the future. Let's get started on the stock analysis of Sundram Fasteners Limited. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks, PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and insights by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified about potential multi-bagger stocks. Let us provide a brief introduction to Sundram Fasteners. Sundram Fasteners Limited, a key entity in the TVS Group, excels as a prominent manufacturer of critical components like fasteners and powertrain components. Renowned for precision and innovation, the company serves automotive, infrastructure, windmill, and aviation sectors, contributing significantly to various industries. Let's take a look at the product segments of Sundram Fasteners. Sundram Fasteners Limited specializes in a diverse range of high-quality components, including high-tensile fasteners for applications in wind energy, automotive, engines, and aerospace. The company manufactures cold extruded parts such as gear blanks and transmission shafts, while also producing hot forged components like bevel gears and pinion families. Additionally, Sundram Fasteners manufactures powertrain components, including turbine and output shafts, as well as various pumps and assemblies such as water pumps and oil pumps. Their product portfolio further extends to radiator caps, including metal and nylon variants, and power metallurgy components like rotors, gears, synchronizer hubs, bushers, and structural parts, showcasing their commitment to delivering precision and innovation across a wide range of industries. Now, let's discuss the revenue segments of Sundram Fasteners. Sundram business is primarily segmented into four categories, each contributing to the company's overall revenue. Passenger vehicles is the largest contribution to the company's revenue, accounting for 40% of the total meanwhile. Commercial vehicles and large commercial vehicles accounts for 40% of the company's revenue. Tractor segment is the third largest, contributing 15% to the overall revenue, while the remaining business activities like two-wheelers contributing 5% to the overall revenue. Geographical revenue. This company exports 30% of its goods globally, while 70% of its products are sold in the domestic market. Now, let's take a look at the management of Sundram Fasteners. Shri Suresh Krishna is the chairman of Sundram Fasteners Limited. He received his Bachelor of Science degree from Madras Christian College in the year 1955. He received his MA in Literature from the University of Wisconsin and did his postgraduate work in Literature in the University of Munich, Germany. Remuneration. Received 4.20 crore rupees as remuneration for FY23. Aarti Krishna is the managing director of the company and began her career at Sundram Fasteners Limited, SFL, in 1990 as a management trainee after her post-MBA on-the-job training in the US. Remuneration. Received 4.72 crore rupees as remuneration for FY23. Arundhati Krishna is the joint managing director of the company. She received a graduate degree from the University of Madras and an MBA from the University of Michigan. In her past career, she was brand manager at Pond's India Limited. Remuneration. Received 5.52 crore rupees as remuneration for FY23. Preeti Krishna is the non-executive non-independent director. She received an undergraduate degree from Stella Maris College, a graduate degree from the University of Madras and an MBA from the University of Rochester Simon Business School. Remuneration. Received 0.13 crore rupees as remuneration for FY23. Let's take a look at the shareholding of Sundram Fasteners. The promoters are the largest shareholders of Sundram Fasteners with a holding of 48.5% of the share. Foreign institutional investors hold 12.8% of the shares. Mutual funds hold 13.8% of the shares. The public holds 20.8% of the shares. Other institutions include several investors, such as banks and insurance companies. They hold 4.1% of the shares. Let's take a look at the cost structure of Sundram Fasteners. Raw material expenses are the largest component Sundram Fasteners Limited cost structure, accounting for 45% of the total costs in the financial year 2023. Employee cost accounts for 9% of total costs. Selling and administrative expenses account for 3% of total costs. Other expenses account for 3% of total costs. Other manufacturing expenses account for 22% of total costs. Power and fuel costs account for 4% of total costs. Now, let's focus on the financials of Sundram Fasteners. The table shows that the company's net sales have grown steadily over the past 10 years, from 2,736 crores in the financial year 2014 to 5,663 in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 7.55%. The company's profit after tax has also grown steadily, from 121 crores in the financial year 2014 to 500 crores in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 15.24%. At last, the company's return on equity has increased from 15.10% in the financial year 2014 to 16.60% in the financial year 2023. Let's now turn to the management commentaries to get a better understanding of the company's performance. Government strong infrastructure push under the Gati Shakti, National Master Plan for Multimodal Connectivity, Initiative Logistics Development and Industrial Corridor Development will contribute significantly to raising industrial competitiveness and boosting future growth. CV industry is poised for a healthy growth and there will be adoption of alternative fuel usage also. Medium and heavy commercial vehicles, M&HCV, industry is backbone of Indian economy and is also undergoing technological upgradation through the implementation of real-time driving emission (RDE) norms forms April 2023. Furthermore, company is spending capex of 350 crore rupees, 80 crore to be spent in FY23 in the Pondicherry plant, over 2 years for expanding capacity to manufacture wind energy fasteners. Company aims to ramp up its non-industrial business that manufactures fasteners for infrastructure projects like railway bridges and also for metro infra. In aerospace and defense industry, company is divesting into aerospace and defense, which is also expected to take 2 years for full-scale ramp-up as these sectors usually have long lead times. Diversification to further reduce cyclicality. Company is diversifying its business by manufacturing fasteners and components for non-automotive industries such as infra, renewable energy, and defense, aerospace and steel mill. Company has also been successful in increasing non-automotive exposure from 17% in FY19 to 31% in FY22. Meanwhile, company has a long-term target to achieve 50% of its revenue from non-automotive components by scaling industrial fasteners and aftermarket sales. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content and click the bell icon for potential multi-bagger stocks. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.